Just taking some damage. S1mple as
S1mple.
well.
Holy cow.
Yeah, S1mple, man.
Where
He's
is
been on some crazy flanks. He is just...
Oh, your mic just clipped hard. Ow.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
He's going out of control in these rounds. He'll bring down a Dren and finesse. Shots he's got to hit right there, even if it is with the Glock. S1mple making him pay, causing so much confusion. He finds that third on S1mple. He's running a clinic right now. He brings down automatic, and now it's just sick.
What? Sorry, my voice probably got way higher than it needed to be, but that was an natural reaction. S1mple's literally just walking around.